Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, a video that was pretty exciting to be making, and then, if you can't tell, I got sick, and so now I'm going to have to do this video unwell, so apologies if it's a bit shorter than what perhaps it would normally be, or if I'm simply a bit less chatty. But, you know, the grind never stops, unfortunately. But, yeah, here is, if you watched my last video, my goodbye video, here should be what is some people's grail, some people's beta, some people's all sorts of stuff in here. I think that's all that's in there. Obviously, coming back at you with the one-handed unboxings. As always, we got the Machine-Wise Seropus, which I'm getting really sad actually. I might have to sell this. And I've just been flipping it the past like 2 minutes, just while getting the stuff ready for this video. And it's like, I don't want to get rid of this. This is like my favourite. So, yeah, might have to sell it. Maybe, perhaps for the right price. But yeah, in here should be a genuine, authentic. Okay, this is taped like this. I should have just done that rather than doing cutting. Oh man, yeah, it's rough talking. But here should be a genuine, authentic tinfoil bag, which is not made of tin anymore, because we now live in something called like the 21st century, something like that, and we don't use tin anymore. We use aluminium. So here's a kitchen foil, perhaps I think is what it's sold as in the shops now, instead of tin foil. We've got some foil here, some metal foil that wraps a genuine, you can see here, whoa, pretty cool looking knife. I mean, very awesome packaging. I imagine that's a JK original, that. But yeah, no, here is a JK Designs Embargo. I mean, you already know because you already clicked on the picture. Let's see what comes in. I've never bought a JK knife, like an OEM one, right? You've got two thingies. Is this a sticker? I don't think so. I think it's just a thank you card. Use wisely. Made in Colorado. Okay. Comes with some extra weight pins and some 3D printed, by the looks of it, some end spacers. Here is the bag. Oh, it's got a little button lock. It's got the bomb logo, which I think is really cool. I think the bomb logo is quite a cool one. And inside, this lovely purple cloth bag. This is quite nice. This feels exactly how you expect it to. And in here is the JK Designs Embargo. Now, it's got that like trademark beat up kind of Zerblast smooth finish, which I've only seen on the knives. Oh, okay. The tune's pretty good. Oh, the noise already sounds also pretty nice. There's the hardware. Hardware looks pretty good. And pretty good nick as well. Scuff there. So, for those of you that don't know, I traded my Alpha Beast for this. And here is the blade. I believe this is S35V, and I think that's the only blade steel you get out of these, right? Number 327. JK Embargo with the one long slot. Okay. So there's the tune. Really looks worse on camera. No, it looks worse in real life. But pretty good tune. I feel like you could probably crank this down a little more and just get some tightness out of it. But okay. I wish I could explain the feeling to you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, for comparison, right? This is my Machine-Wise Seraph. This is a very modern Palisong. It's lightweight. It's like tapered handles on 2 axes. Brilliant sound. Really tactile. Right? This is my Gaboon. Not oiled, but this is my Gaboon, right? Again, also has a super tactile, really... You can hear that. I mean, this is also absolutely brilliant. And this is the JK Designs Balaton. The JK Designs Balaton? JK Designs Embargo. This feels like nothing else in my collection. I was expecting this to kind of feel a little bit like this. And you know what? It kind of does. Which is kind of props to Bali Plus. Right? Like in terms of... It's got that big chunky feel in the hand. It's got the little nozzle. It's got the same kind of well put togetherness. I'm actually going to see if my spare hardware from this actually fits in there, if it can take new washers. This... Having flipped this informs me as to what this is supposed to feel like. Right? Like... This is lovely. A bit boring to look at. But... This feels like what a rep should have always been, to be honest. This RK. It's got this kind of Alpha Beast discomfort about it, right? Where it's not a super comfortable knife in the hand. It's quite thick. I don't know how well this will come across, right? But if you look at the side of this handle compared to, I guess compared to the clone, is like, of course, it's gonna be fat, but like, I don't know, it feels a little thicker than like the Nautilus, for example. Even with these chamfers, it feels thick, right? I mean, yeah, I think compared to the Seraph, it's probably the best. Like you can see, it's quite a bit thicker. Oh, I love how just... I'm watching this through the screen. Like, this is so easy to flip. It needs a bit of oil, but this is, like, telepathic to flip. This... Oh... I was really hoping to, like, want to experiment with the balance. I was hoping I wouldn't like the balance, but I'm gonna be honest with you, the balance is kind of amazing. It's got that floaty thing that the Seraph does. It sounds so delicate. But then it feels really robust. Like the bounciness is super like fine. Oh, this is completely different to how I expected it to be. I expected, you know, the JK stuff to sort of just be overhyped. Kind of, you know, it's fine, you know, it's not bad. But like, I didn't expect it to be crazy. And I'll say it's not crazy. I mean, this is like the cheapest kind of JK product you can get, isn't it? And yeah, I wouldn't say it's crazy. It needs a bit of a tighten. Yeah, there you go. See, it starts to loosen up. So maybe we need to check out some of the bushings. But it is very nice to flip. I'm going to test if it fits the T15 hardware. Because I like the machine wise hardware, so I'd just be curious. Perhaps I'll also experiment, you know, with some of the other bits and bobs that come with it. So this bite handle is fine. It's this safe handle. It's a little bit... Oh, here we go. Embargo 2023. I don't know if you can see that in there. Look at that. I don't know. It says that in there. Embargo 2023. Does it say it on all of them or just on the one side? Just on that one side. On that one safe handle, the main one that your thumb touches. That's cool. This is a very, very cool knife. Totally different to what I was expecting. Stunning blade work, by the way. I will say, JK, if there's one thing he does well, it is the blades. They are beautiful. With this acid wash as well. The Zen pins, I mean, it feels well made. I just need to figure out some of this tightening problem. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can give this thing a new breath of life with a tune, perhaps some new hardware. Get to measure up the hardware maybe, because it seems like it's quite thick. Ideally, I don't want to have to buy new JK hardware. because that sounds expensive and long, and not even expensive for the hardware, just for the postage. But yeah, I can't wait to spend a bit more time with this thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.